Next chapter is about support and resistance, guys. This is pretty important for a trader. It's going to be much easier for you to find an entry if you know what SNR is and how to identify it on chart. Basically, the market moves in waves. It is not a straight form. The structures that are being formed during market session open basically form support and resistance. Now, when we talk about support, it would be a market structure that will hold the price at a certain level and it will prevent it from going any lower. And resistance is a market structure that stops the price from going any higher. How does this actually look? In a simple form, we are looking at this drawing. When you look at this drawing, you will realize that there are certain points on the market structure that form support and others resistance. Price travels from one point to another. And in order for you to identify these levels, you will be looking at multiple touches in the similar area. Same goes for the resistance and the same goes for support, okay? In a real life, when you think about the price movement, of course, price is not going to just move in a straight line like this. It will look more like that. When you think about resistance and support, you have to consider that everything in between is actually a noise. Everything in between is a noise. And where the bigger banks place their orders are on the resistance and the support levels. Let's have a look at the chart, shall we? So, okay, we have British pound to US dollar. Where would the support and resistance be as an example? All right. For example, let me just draw the zone for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as well. This would be your resistance. The price reached this area, you have multiple touches, and then it was rejected, prevented from going any higher. Now, your support zone would be here. You can see also multiple touches where the price touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times without going any lower. This is your support and resistance. Anything in between, guys, let me just screenshot this. Anything in between here is a noise. You are only addressing the key areas. Make sense? All right, let's move on. Now, in order for the price to move in either direction, up or down, eventually this structure will be broken. So when you think about breaking the structure, you're talking about support becomes resistance. If you see that the price breaks the area that you marked and continues move downwards, we call it a breakout. So price continues in between two key areas, your support and resistance. You notice a breakout. And then price continues downwards. You will then be waiting for that price to return to your support resistance. When it returns to your support area, you will be looking for the signal to sell, to continue downwards. Have a look at the chart. We will use the same example, I believe. Okay. Have a look. Let me mark that. If you drag your zone further, you will see that the price broke that support right here. And this is your breakout. Therefore, if it breaks your support area and you know that this is the key level that you marked, you as a trader will be waiting for that price to return to that particular area. Sorry for my writing, okay? When the price returns to this area, you will anticipate that there will be a trend continuation down. And this is support becomes resistance, okay? Now, in other scenario, when you are looking at buy signal, you will be focusing on your resistance. When you look at the resistance, you will know that price travels from one point to another, eventually causing a break of the resistance. When this happens, you will anticipate a pullback. Price will want to return. Why? Because there are orders over here to collect. Once the price returns, you will foresee the price continuation in a move upwards. Let's have a look at the chart. Let's have a look at the chart. USD, United States dollar to Canadian dollar. Okay, let's have a look at the chart, guys, and try to find our support and resistance first. There you go. Okay, let's draw. First of all, you have your resistance over here, okay? Second, you have your support over here. The price didn't go any lower. From your resistance, the price didn't go any higher. Let me just draw this. Okay. Eventually, there is a breakout. When there is a breakout, and you know that this is your resistance area, as a trader, you are waiting for that price patiently to return to the zone where you will anticipate the reversal and continuation on the upward move. If you look at the chart, you will see that the price came back exactly to the area in order for you to make a decision to buy. There you go. 1, 2, 3, breakout. Now support in order to form another structure, another leg of that uptrend.